welcome back to my channel, Life with Kim B. Today guys, we're going to be doing an unboxing on DSoar Hair Company. I received the package last week, just not getting around to doing the unboxing. I have not opened it yet. First of all, I want to talk about the delivery for this. I ordered this hair on a Monday and it came on a Thursday, so it was pretty quick delivery, and I ordered it straight from the company website, and I will leave that link in the bio. So let's open it. And the only reason why I open it with a knife, because honey, these kids, I can't keep a pair of scissors for nothing. I buy them and can't find them, so a knife it is. So let's go ahead and open it up so we can open it up together. And it shipped straight from China. All right, this is the box that it came in, and on the back it tells you how to care for the hair, wash it and all that. And I really like that, because you know, a lot of times some people just take the hair out and just put it right on in their head. Oh, look what they sent me, guys. Look at these goodies. They sent me, I don't know what this is. It looks like a little card or something. Let's open this up, honey. Ooh. Little Santa say Merry Christmas. Oh, child, it was empty. No card. But that was really cute, though. And then they sent me these cute little clips with little Santa Clauses on it. So that's cute. And then they sent me some eyelashes. I don't wear eyelashes, but I'm definitely gonna try this. And they're by MAC, honey. Yes. Hold on. So these are the lashes they sent me in my package. I may have to try these out, y'all. It's C4. I don't know anything about lashes, but that's what they sent. And then the hair and a closure. I have a 16-inch, 18-inch, 20-inch, 22-inch, and a 16-inch closure. And the hair that I have, because I forgot to even mention that, is the Brazilian Curly Hair. So that's what I purchased, the Brazilian Curly. So we're gonna open the closure first and check out this closure. Ooh, I'm already loving this, honey. The hair came in a net. All right. Alright, is you gonna come out? Alright guys, so this is my closure. I've got a middle part closure. Look at that. Ooh. I'm loving it, y'all. It's really soft. Of course, I gotta bleach the knots. But this is my closure for the Brazilian Curly. The hair is so soft. And it's like a, it's not really brown. It's like a dark brown, brownish black color. So really pretty. Love it. I'm gonna put it back in the net. This is my first little unboxing. So y'all know I don't know how to act, honey. So they have a rubber band around the hair, so the hair won't be moving all around. This one is the 16-inch. So let's open this. Let's get down and dirty with a 16-inch. Ooh, the packaging. Look at that. It got a little tag on it. It's really cute, y'all. Net over it. Ooh, the hair do have a smell. Like it smells like the beauty supply store. You know how you go to the beauty supply store and they have that little smell? So this is the 16-inch. I hope you guys can see that. Hopefully it's not focusing on my face, but on the hair. And the ends look very natural, y'all. This is some beautiful hair. It's so soft. And this video is not sponsored. I mean, obviously, y'all know them. And y'all know ain't nobody sending me nothing. I purchased this hair with my own money. Oh, and let me show you. I forgot to show you guys. Y'all, I'm slipping. This is the bundle for the head of the bundle for the 16-inch. And the hair is double weft. So that's a 16-inch. And I don't know when I'm gonna get this installed. Probably next year for my birthday. My birthday is in January. Well, next month, might as well say. This is the 18-inch. I'm gonna open each pack so you guys can see each bundle. Alrighty. This is the 18-inch. Soft. I'm about to be so cute, y'all. This hair is so dang on soft. Ooh wee. I'm being honest, y'all. Let me see. A little shedding, but hey, every hair gonna shed, y'all. It was just one little one strand of it. Beautiful. Look at that. This is the 18. Love it. And then we're gonna do the 20 and the 22. That's coming up. Alright. The 22-inch. Ooh, wait, look at that. Yes, honey, this is beautiful. Look at that, y'all. Oh, it's pretty. This is some beautiful hair. I can't wait to get this installed. It's so soft. Look at that. Beautiful. This is, I know they said do this. I didn't even do this with the other ones, but beautiful. Love it. So guys, that was my unboxing for the DSoar hair. If you guys are interested in this hair, the link will definitely be in the description box. Again, this video is not sponsored. I ordered and purchased this hair on my own. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you guys on the next video.